The Amazon Astro robot is crafted primarily for household use, fostering a closer connection between you and your home by seamlessly integrating with Alexa. Equipped with advanced navigation technology, Astro adeptly maneuvers through its surroundings. It alerts you to any unfamiliar individuals or unusual sounds when you're away, ensuring constant remote connectivity and security. You can instruct Astro, set reminders, and even detect potential threats like break-ins while prioritizing user privacy. Mars Cat, by Elephant Robotics, is the pioneering bionic pet cat globally, serving as a home robot and delightful companion. Resembling a real cat in autonomy, it needs no extra instructions for control. With full responsiveness and nuanced interactions, it senses touch, hears voices, recognizes faces, and plays with toys. Each Mars Cat has unique features, including eyes, physique, and evolving personality based on interactions. Empowered by quad-core Raspberry Pi, it offers easy programmability with endless potential. Mars Cat is invaluable for education, research, and commerce. Lumo Segway presents a personal robot with robust AI, navigating obstacles effortlessly. Doubling as a personal transporter controlled via voice or gestures, Lumo offers a smooth, self-balancing ride. You can interact with Lumo via its dedicated app, which continuously introduces innovative features through timely updates, including an Android SDK. Its versatility allows seamless travel even on uneven terrain. Maycat, an AI robot cat tailored for home monitoring and companionship, seamlessly integrates intelligent robotics with smart home technology. With its solid eyes and speaker, Maycat can recognize individuals and convey emotions. Leveraging AI recognition, refined through extensive data points, it discerns people's actions, moods, and behaviors through its camera and microphone. Maycat stands vigilant, capable of detecting falls, sleep patterns, or anomalies, promptly alerting either you or a designated emergency contact. Developed by Coda Incorporated in Mountain View, CA, this robotic marvel leads the way in robotics with decentralized technology. The Coda AI dog engages socially, powered by advanced AI that can recognize human emotions. It utilizes blockchain-enabled decentralized AI infrastructure for tasks and learning. Equipped with 3D cameras, a 13-megapixel front camera, 14 motors, high-resolution display, sensors, and a 97% accurate microphone array. Roy B is an educational powerhouse, delivering over 500 lessons focused on problem-solving, creativity, and language skills. Offering engaging and intuitive learning experiences, Roy B personalizes lessons for children, providing access to a vast library of educational content. Professor Einstein is Henson Robotics' first personal robot available to consumers. The robot was developed in 2016 and was unveiled at the Consumer Electronics Show, CES, in Las Vegas in January 2017. The robot first became available for purchase to consumers in January 2017 after launching on the crowdfunding platform Kickstarter, and later became available on Amazon and at other popular retailers across the United States. Professor Einstein is marketed as an educational tool to teach science, primarily to children ages 8 to 13. The robot can speak about science, tell jokes, and connect to Wi-Fi to check the weather or access information on the internet. It has a corresponding app called the Steinematic that offers games, videos, and lessons. Motors allow it to walk, make different facial expressions, and an on-chest camera tracks faces. Moxie, an emotionally intelligent personal robot for kids, fosters communication and emotional growth. Attentively listening and providing gentle guidance, Moxie helps children develop confidence and resilience. Serving as a mentor in the absence of parents, Moxie educates through friendly interactions and problem solving activities, nurturing healthy relationship skills both at home and in public. Xpeng Robotics recently launched its quadruped robot pony with autonomous navigation and emotional interaction capabilities. Designed as a companion, it can care for, entertain, and transport individuals, acting like a robot unicorn for kids. Equipped with features such as object recognition and intelligent driving, Xpeng aims for a warm, family-friendly design. Established in 2016, Xpeng focuses on walking robot technology, including powertrains, locomotion control, autonomy, interaction, and AI. Xiaomi introduced the CyberDog in August 2023, an advanced robot dog proficient in backflips, skateboarding, and playing fetch. With proportions resembling a Doberman, this sleeker, more intelligent version allows users to customize it using 3 USB Type-C ports and an HDMI connector. Unlike its predecessor, the CyberDog 2 exhibits behavior akin to a real puppy, adept at sensing and responding to its owner's needs and emotions. Its empathy imbues it with a human-like disposition, evident in nuanced body language. For instance, it joyfully wags its tail when its owner is happy. Asimo, created by Honda in 2000, is a humanoid robot primarily designed for search and rescue tasks. It can recognize objects, postures, and sounds, and has two camera eyes and multilingual abilities. Currently on display at the Miraikan Museum in Tokyo, Japan, Honda ceased Asimo's development and production in July 2018 to focus on other applications. Asimo's last active demonstration was in March 2022, as Honda shifted focus to developing remote-controlled, avatar-style robots. Over 4 models of Asimo were released, with the initial model introduced in 2002. Asimo's abilities include recognizing movements, gestures, and environmental cues, enabling interactions with humans. Equipped with 2 camera eyes, Asimo can track individuals and respond to voice commands and gestures. It can recognize companions by their voices and faces, and autonomously navigate its environment using various sensors to detect obstacles and floor surfaces. These features enhance Asimo's capability to navigate and adapt to different situations. At CES 2018, Honda introduced its latest innovation, the Empower Experience Empathy Robotics concept. Showcasing a spectrum of experimental technologies, this concept aims to enhance mobility and improve people's lives. Through various functions and designs, these advanced robotic concepts exemplify Honda's vision of a future society where robotics and AI aid in disaster recovery, leisure activities, and educational endeavors. By learning from human interaction, these robots strive to become more supportive and empathetic companions. Pepper, a humanoid robot developed by SoftBank Robotics, is utilized in classrooms and healthcare environments. Distinguishing itself from Eneo, Pepper can recognize faces and track human emotions. It has served as a hotel concierge and facilitated contactless care and communication for older adults during the pandemic. Additionally, a Japanese professional baseball team deployed a team of Peppers to cheer on players when human fans were unable to attend games. Eneo, SoftBank Robotics' initial humanoid creation, serves as an assistant in various industries, including healthcare and education. Despite being only 2 feet tall, Eneo is equipped with 2 2D cameras for object recognition, 4 directional microphones and speakers for communication, and 7 touch sensors for interaction. Proficient in 20 languages, Eneo aids in content creation, programming education, and patient service representation. Created by Living AI, Emo is a curious and playful AI desktop pet designed to accompany desk workers. It explores its surroundings independently, tracks sounds, recognizes faces, and exhibits its unique character. During work breaks, Users can play games with Emo, watch it dance, and utilize its built-in voice assistant to ask questions. Miko 3 is a personal robot specifically designed for children aged 5 to 10. Using artificial intelligence, it serves as a sophisticated home education aid capable of making video calls, responding to emotions, making jokes, and adapting its programming based on user interactions. Misa, beyond being a friendly family addition, serves as a family robot enhancing home learning and managing the family calendar. Through its Misa Connect software, this intelligent bot responds to voice commands, manages calendars, offers health and nutritional advice, and features a high-quality visual display to elevate homeschooling. Jibo is intricately designed to support children's education, telehealth, and hospitals. This sophisticated companion robot is commonly employed to assist elderly or chronically ill patients, provide care during long-term hospital treatments, and support education, particularly for children with special educational needs. As technology continues to evolve, embracing humanoids promises to usher in a new era of innovation and transformation, empowering us to overcome challenges and shape a brighter future. Thank you for tuning in. We welcome your valuable feedback and suggestions. Elec, a small companion robot, embodies the slogan, Tech with Heart. With a charming personality and perceptive emotional responses, Elec is designed to be a delightful household companion. Unique interactions include a preference for being picked up only by its owner. Willow serves as a versatile personal robot capable of handling household chores and providing companionship. Its primary function is autonomous lawn mowing without the need for wires or perimeter cables. Willow can also shred and collect leaves, guard your property at night, and sweep your patio. Its capabilities expand further as users can teach Willow new tasks using a phone or computer. Misty is a personal social robot designed to assist with both personal and business tasks. Featuring a friendly face and expressive eyes, Misty can record audio, respond to voice commands, stream videos, and collect and share data. Equipped with a camera, Misty possesses built-in facial recognition capabilities. Powered by love, Lovot is a companion robot designed to bring happiness to its user. With a highly sophisticated level of emotional awareness, Lovot provides caring companionship, understands and responds to moods, and learns how to best make users happy. Zeno made its debut at Wired Next Fest in 2007, boosting advanced capabilities in sight, hearing, and speech. With over 28 specialized motors, Zeno possessed an agile body and an expressive face. Named after creator David Hanson's son Zeno and inspired by Astro Boy, the robot received an updated version in 2012. This new iteration incorporated Dynamixel RX28 and RX64 servos, along with a sensor suite comprising gyroscopes, accelerometers, compasses, torque sensors, touch sensors, and temperature sensors. Juing X30 is made to help in different situations like after earthquakes, in collapsed buildings, tunnel accidents, and places with chemical pollution or heavy smoke from disasters. It can detect and rescue people without needing anyone to operate it. Jet Hexa, the ultimate AI hexapod, built on Jetson Nano and ROS, features depth camera and LiDAR. It employs AI tech and advanced inverse kinematics algorithm. With high-performance servos, it offers versatile movements. With LiDAR, it maps environment comprehensively. Excelling in slam, it dynamically avoids obstacles and navigates autonomously. Integration with depth camera enables 3D visual recognition. AI enables intelligent interaction and object tracking. Jet Hexa embodies limitless creativity in robotics. In the natural world, a hexapod refers to a six-legged arthropod or true insect. In robotics, it denotes a six-legged robot. A team of students at Ghent University in Belgium has developed a 3D printed robot resembling a creature from a nightmare or a futuristic sci-fi film. This remarkable hexapod mimics the appearance and movements of a scorpion, complete with the ability to thrust its tail forward and sting those who dare to approach, leaving them marked by its stinger. The WidowX MK4 hexapod is a ROS research platform with 6 legs, powered by Raspberry Pi 4B and Dynamixel XL series smart servos from Robotease. It arrives pre-assembled and tested, fully compatible with Ubuntu 20.04c or ROS Noetic. It offers Wi-Fi, tethered, and Bluetooth or PlayStation 4 control options. With a payload capacity of approximately 5 pounds, walking speed around 178 mm per second, and an estimated battery runtime of 60 minutes, it's a versatile and efficient platform. SpiderPi Pro, an advanced hexapod robot, integrates AI vision and runs on Raspberry Pi. Equipped with intelligent serial bus servos boosting 20 kg torque, a 5DOF robot arm, glowy ultrasonic sensor, IMU sensor, and dot matrix module, it's programmable with Python. SpiderPi Pro serves as an ideal platform for research in hexapod robot motion control, machine vision, OpenCV, deep learning, and more. In 2009, at Zurich's Robotic Systems Lab began a project to create a four-legged robot for harsh environments. The result is Animal, a sleek, high-performance robot capable of sprinting, climbing, and operating elevators. Its advanced sensory system, with laser sensors and cameras, enables precise navigation. Despite weighing 30 kilograms, Animal can carry up to 10 kilograms and run for 2 hours on a single charge. Developed by its spin-off Antibiotics, Animal heralds a new era in autonomous robotics. Aibo stands as the epitome of a virtual pet, showcasing the remarkable advancements in this field. This AI robot puppy, named after the Japanese word for friend, is characterized by its curiosity, playfulness, and friendliness. Aibo independently explores your home, engages in play, speaks, and performs tricks. Its facial recognition software not only fosters active engagement with people but also allows it to identify its owner over time. Subsea robot Serpent is engineered for conducting maintenance and repairs on various seabed mechanisms, primarily focusing on oil platforms. It excels at substituting expensive autonomous underwater vehicles, effortlessly maneuvering into tight spaces inaccessible to bulky robots. Spot, a remarkable creation by Boston Dynamics, heralded a new era in commercial robotics, finding wide-ranging applications in fields such as healthcare, law enforcement, and construction, owing to its autonomy and versatility. Unveiled on 23 June 2016, Spot represents a lightweight, four-legged robot inspired by canines, weighing a mere 25 kilograms, making it lighter than other Boston Dynamics products. Spot gained significant attention in November 2017 when a video showcasing its ability to use its claw to open a door went viral on YouTube, quickly reached ing#1 with over 2 million views. Another video in the same month depicted Spot persistently attempting to open the door despite human interference, eliciting varied reactions from viewers. On 11 May 2018, Boston Dynamics CEO announced Spot's transition to pre-production, with plans for commercial availability in 2019. However, in September 2019, it was revealed that Spot would be leased to selected business partners rather than being sold outright. In November 2019, the Massachusetts State Police became the first law enforcement agency to deploy Spot in their bomb squad operations. Spot's SDK became accessible on 23 January 2020, enabling programmers to develop custom applications for various industries. On 16 June 2020, Spot became available for purchase by the general public at a price of $74,500. Spot's versatility was further demonstrated in various noteworthy events. In June 2020, a Spot named Zeus assisted SpaceX at their Boca Chica Starship test site. In July 2020, a team of Spot robots served as cheerleaders at a baseball match in Japan, alongside SoftBank Pepper robots. Spot conducted inspection tasks on the SCAR floating production storage and offloading vessel in November 2020. In April 2021, a YouTube video showcased Spot dispensing beer into red plastic cups, while in March 2022, Spot created a painting titled Sunrise March, which was sold for $40,000 to benefit Ukrainian refugees. On 17 September 2021, the Factory Safety Service robot was unveiled, representing a pioneering partnership between Hyundai Motor Group and Boston Dynamics. Evolved from the well-known Boston Dynamics robot Spot, this innovative iteration features an integrated thermal camera and advanced 3D LiDAR system. With these capabilities, it adeptly detects nearby individuals, surveils for potential fire hazards, and distinguishes between open and closed doors, enhancing safety in industrial settings. Deep Robotics Company, renowned for pioneering robot development and industrial applications, in October 2023 launched its groundbreaking flagship product, the X30 quadruped robot. Tailored to meet diverse industry requirements, it serves roles from power plant and factory inspections to emergency rescue missions, fire detection, scientific research, and beyond. In February 2024, Adverb unveiled Tracker, India's inaugural assistive dog robot, engineered for inspections, patrols, and surveillance. This agile and adaptable robot finds application across multiple industries including construction, oil exploration, defense, and security. Launched alongside the Heal Medical Cobot and Synchro Collaborative Robot at Logi Amity India 2024, the trio is geared towards improving efficiency, safety, and adaptability. In September 2023, Limex Dynamics, a general-purpose legged robot company based in Shenzhen, China, released a W1-wheeled quadruped robot. Based on Limex Dynamics Motion Intelligence technology, W1 is equipped with perception and motion control algorithms and multiple proprietary actuators. Cast's AI robot, Hound, broke the 100-meter quadruped robot world record. Developed by Cast's Dynamic Robot Control and Design Laboratory, Hound clocked 19.87 seconds on an outdoor track in DGO on 26 October. It also potentially set a second record indoors, reaching a top speed of 6.5 meters per second on a treadmill, surpassing MIT's Cheetah 2, which recorded 6.4 seconds. The Unitree A1 robot excels as an agile quadruped, swiftly balancing in diverse situations like impacts or falls. With vision-based autonomous tracking and obstacle avoidance, it can identify individuals and navigate obstacles within 0.8 meters, ensuring smooth maneuverability. The quadruped robot B2 manufactured by Unitree Robotics is specifically designed for research and development purposes. It incorporates numerous advanced technical features. Firstly, it is characterized by its remarkable speed, capable of reaching up to 6 meters per second. Additionally, the B2 robot dog is built to navigate various terrains adeptly, ensuring steady movements even on slippery or uneven surfaces. Furthermore, it exhibits stability and balance during stair climbing, managing ascents of up to 40 centimeters in height with ease. Equipped with knee joint motors providing 360 Nm of torque, it offers a 170% increase in joint performance, making it highly versatile for a range of tasks. Moreover, the B2 boasts impressive endurance, with a battery life that enables over 5 hours of uninterrupted walking without a load, covering distances exceeding 20 kilometers, an impressive 200% increase compared to its predecessor, the B1 robot dog. In terms of equipment, the B2 features high-quality components such as the optional Rupees Helios 32 3D LiDAR, depth camera, high-performance M107 joint modules, and a large-capacity 45Ah battery. The Unitree BW, a groundbreaking wheel-legged robot, is transforming the world of robotic technology with its exceptional versatility and speed. Its innovative features redefine what's possible in the field. It seamlessly blends legged agility with wheel speed, offering unparalleled adaptability. With speeds reaching up to 22 miles per hour on flat surfaces, it sets a new standard for robotic mobility. Navigating challenging environments like stairs and uneven surfaces with remarkable ease ensures efficiency in various scenarios. From search and rescue missions to maintenance tasks, logistics, and even entertainment, the Unitree BW showcases its versatility across a wide range of applications. Beyond its impressive speed and adaptability, its modular design facilitates easy maintenance and customization, ensuring longevity and adaptability to evolving needs. Powered by a sophisticated onboard computer, it operates autonomously, enhancing efficiency and reliability. Equipped with advanced sensors and cameras, it gains a comprehensive understanding of its surroundings, enabling precise navigation and interaction. By embracing an open-source approach, it encourages collaboration and innovation among developers, paving the way for continuous improvement and expansion of its capabilities. The Unitree BW represents a remarkable advancement in robotics, bridging the gap between speed and maneuverability. With its unmatched capabilities, it opens up new possibilities in sectors such as rescue operations, maintenance, logistics, and beyond, showcasing the transformative potential of modern robotics. The Go2 is an advanced quadruped robot succeeding the popular Go1 model. Designed with a sleek and agile build, it seamlessly incorporates cutting-edge technology. Tailored for research and higher education, the EduPlus version of the Go2 is customizable, providing users with endless possibilities to create and explore their own robotic applications. Available in multiple configurations, such as the Go2 EduPlus with 40 TOPS computing and the Go2 EduPlus with 100 TOPS computing, this robot offers varying levels of computing power, each equipped with AI algorithms. Additionally, versions like the Go2 EduPlus 3D and the Go2 EduPlus 3D feature advanced 3D LiDAR technology for navigation algorithms. Key features of the Go2 include a 4D LiDAR developed by Unitree, offering wide-angle recognition with minimal blind spots and a detection distance as low as 0.05 meter. Integrated AI capabilities, powered by GPT, enhance the robot's perception of its surroundings, enabling it to make informed decisions based on sensor data. Moreover, the Go2 boasts improved battery life and autonomy, thanks to a long-lasting 15,000 mAh battery providing 2 to 4 hours of operation. Its motors have been upgraded to provide increased torque, reaching a maximum of 45 Newton meters. The ISS 2.0 Intelligent Side Follow system ensures precise positioning and allows for remote control up to 30 meters away. With enhanced connectivity features such as a 4G module, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth 5.2, the Go2 offers seamless communication capabilities. Notably, it holds the title of the fastest robot dog on the market, capable of reaching speeds of up to 18 km per hour.